Hello students, I am very happy that you all are able to do the questions and sending me the answers very quickly. Some they give me the answers just when they finish the video lesson. So I really appreciate all of you. So be very prompt in answering the questions and you will be very quick in doing mathematics. Okay. So first question. Arjun's mom gave him rupees 100 to buy some pens. So our Arjun likes to go to the shop to buy things, isn't it? So his mother is giving him 100 rupees and saying, "Go son, buy some pens." Now when Arjun bought, he liked 6 pens. So he bought 6 pens, each costing rupees 10. So the cost of each pen was how much? 10 rupees. So how much money is left with him? Now these are some questions which we have to do multiple operations. Sometimes we have to add, sometimes we have to multiply, sometimes subtract, sometimes divide. Okay, so we have to choose our strategy, what we have to do. So first you think that how many pens did he buy? 6 pens. Costing how much rupees? 10 rupees. So that means he has to pay 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many times? 6 times. So how much money he has to pay to the shopkeeper? 6 times 10. So that is 60. So here you have to multiply. Okay. And then you have to find the money left with him. Balance. So whenever we find the balance or we find the difference, we have to subtract, isn't it? So how much the money was there in his hand? 100 rupees. How much he gave to the shopkeeper? 60 rupees. So how much is left? 100 minus 60, that is 40 rupees. So now orally we have done the sum. Now we will do it. Cost of 1 pen, rupees 10. Cost of 10 pens, 10 into 6, that is rupees 60. Total money he had, rupees 100. Okay. So he had 100 rupees. Money spent, how much did he spend for buying pen? Rupees 60. So what is the money left? 100 minus 60, rupees 40. So this is a very easy sum. Okay. But why I am giving this sum? Because there is another sum in your notebook which we have to do. And which is very similar to this one. Let us see this sum. A man had 1,57,184 rupees with him. Okay, so this was his pocket money. So much money he had. 1,57,184. So he thought he will buy some things. He was running a shop maybe. So he is buying some articles. How many articles? 80 articles. 80 things he buys at rupees 125 each. So each article costs how much? 125 rupees. So how much money will remain with him after the purchase? So after buying the things, how much money will be left with him? So this is a similar sum, just like our Arjun, isn't it? So what we will do? First we will do cost of one article is rupees 125. So cost of 80 articles will be how much? 125 into 80. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply 125 and 80. I will not tell you how much, because you know how to multiply 125 and 80. After that, you know how much money he had in his pocket? 1,57,184. How much did he spend? That is this ... The same money here that you got. That is what he has spent. I will not tell you. That is a secret. You have to find it out. And then money remaining, what will we do to find how much is left? Yes, we will subtract. So whatever you get here, this green ... that you have to subtract from 1,57,184, and then you will get the answer for this black thing, isn't it? So you try this today. Very easy sum. Now let us come to a very careless boy. His story. See, Roshan's mother asked him to buy 5 notebooks of rupees 10 each. So mama is saying buy 5 notebooks. Okay, you will get it for rupees 10 each. One notebook is for 10 rupees. By mistake, he bought 6 books. So when he went to the market, he said 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then suddenly he thought it was 6. He was confused. So he bought 6 books of rupees 10 each. Money is same, cost is same, but he has increased the number of books. He has bought it one more, isn't it? 6 books. How much more money did he spend? So we have to find out according to Mama's calculation how much, and according to what Roshan bought, how much money. So how much more? We have to find the difference. So what is the correct cost of books? 5 into 10, rupees 50. But the wrong cost, why I am saying wrong cost? Because Arjun by mistake bought more books, isn't it? So what is the wrong cost of books? 6 into 60. That 6 into 10, that is rupees 60. So what is the difference? How much more did he spend? 60 minus 50, that is rupees 10. Did you understand? So let us try a similar problem here with a large number. This is homework problem 2. Okay, I know you love to get homework in maths. A student multiplied 8035. So here 8035 by 87. Teacher wrote on the board that you multiply it by how much? 78. Teacher said 78. But a student, he was looking here and there and talking, and he heard it 87. Just interchange the number. What was in the ones place become in the tens place. So he thought it was 87. So he multiplied by a bigger number. Okay. So by how much is his answer greater than or less than the correct answer? So his answer will be wrong, isn't it? Sometimes you make this kind of mistakes. Teacher says 78 and you write 87. So when you are multiplying with 87, you will get a larger number, isn't it? You will get a greater number. So he will get a greater answer. So we have to find out what is the difference between the correct answer and the great. By how much they are asking now, so we have to find the difference. So wrong answer was what? 8035 into 87. Multiply and write. Okay, I will not tell you. Correct answer is how much? 8035 into 78. So what is the difference? Wrong answer minus correct answer. You find out by how much the answer went wrong. So do it very quickly, okay? It's very easy. Next question, let us see. This is about Vaiga. Vaiga is sending me all the answers very quickly, okay? Vaiga and Pooja, I think they are having a competition. That who will send first. Others, I know that some of you are not able to download the videos at the correct time, and maybe your parents come. I can understand, okay? Leah also, as soon as their mother is coming back, they are sending me the answers. So don't worry, there is no such competition. But just to see your enthusiasm, it is very encouraging. Okay, it encourages me to see how much enthusiastic you are to send the answers. Okay, so don't worry if you have any problem. I understand your problems. Okay. Vaiga got 98 marks in the first term exam. Her marks reduced by 2 in the second term exam. So first term she got 98, and then in the second term 1 or 2 answers went wrong. So her marks reduced by 2. So always remember, when you say by 2 means 2 less. But if it was the question, her marks reduced to 2. 2 means now her marks is 2 out of 100. Okay. So whenever question is given, you understand whether it is by 2 or reduced to 2. Okay, or reduced to 4 or reduced to 10. So it will be the 10. The answer will be, the marks will be 10. Okay. So her marks reduced by 2. So which is so easy. She got 98 in the first term. Now 2 less. So how much? 98 minus 2, that is 96 marks. Is it very difficult? I don't think so. Let us try a similar sum now. Okay, this is also homework sum. The sale receipt of a company in a certain year was rupees 83 lakhs 73,540. In the following year, it decreased by rupees 7,84,670. So his business was little down the next year. Okay, so first he had made how much? 83 lakh rupees, isn't it? Now he is getting a loss of 7 lakhs. It is decreased by 7 lakhs, 84,670. So you have to find what is the sale receipt? Okay, what is the sale receipt? So we will find out. Sale receipt in first year is how much? 83,73,540. What is the decrease now? Sale receipt 7,84,640. So we have to find here in this question, we have to find, just add to this question, what is the sale receipt for the next year. So that means what is the sale receipt for the next year? So sale receipt in the second year will be how much? What you have to do? His sale has decreased by 7,84,000. So now what will be his, just like Vaigas marks, 2 marks less, 4 marks less, isn't it? So same way here, 7,84,000 less, 7,84,640 less. So what will you do? Okay, you have to find out. So this is your homework for problem 3. Okay, I hope you will be doing all the sums and send it to me. Okay, quickly.